If your quenched parts keep coming out warped or unevenly hardened, check one thing before anything else: your oil temperature. Most people never think to check it, and it's often the root cause. Quench oil isn't just a cooling medium. It needs to cool your steel at a specific controlled rate. It needs to cool your steel at a specific controlled rate to get uniform hardness and structure. Every oil has an ideal working temperature range, and for most standard quench oils, that's roughly 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. When oil runs hotter than that, say above 80 degrees, its cooling rate drops and becomes less predictable. Instead of a fast, even quench, you get a slower, uneven one. That directly causes two problems: inconsistent hardness across the batch and warping. This happens because different parts of your workpiece are cooling at different rates. This usually happens gradually. Every part you quench dumps heat into the oil. If you're running batch after batch without giving the oil time to cool back down, the temperature creeps up until it's well outside the safe range. There are a few ways to deal with this. First, monitor your oil temperature with a simple thermometer or probe. Don't guess. Second, if you're running high-volume production, install an oil cooler or heat exchanger on your tank so it actively pulls heat out between batches. Third, if that's not available, simply slow down. Space out your quench cycles so the oil has time to cool back into range naturally. And make sure you've got agitation or circulation in the tank too. Stagnant oil, even at the right temperature, cools unevenly. Oil temperature is one of the easiest things to check and one of the most overlooked. Next time you get inconsistent results, check that first. If this helped, subscribe. More real heat treat troubleshooting coming up.